Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. Yes guys, we are here again, and today I bring to you this amazing and very informative video. Okay, today I will be sharing the top 9 foods and things to avoid when trying to conceive. So if you'll be interested in this kind of video and you love to learn about the 9 food and things to avoid when trying to conceive, sit back, relax, let's dive into the video. But first, if today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, and please also do not forget to subscribe. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support, guys. I don't take it for granted. Thank you guys for always watching my videos, always subscribing, always liking, always commenting, always sharing. I appreciate you guys, okay? So when you are trying to conceive, you are likely to get advice about what to eat and what to avoid. Some of it may seem antithetical. The truth is, there is no one right diet for fertility. But however, eating a healthy diet is important. Okay, guys? Eating a healthy diet while you are trying to conceive is very, very important for both men and women. For both you and your husband, it's very important to eat healthy who are trying to conceive. There are a few key reasons why a healthy diet is important for fertility. Eating a healthy diet helps to ensure that your body is getting the nutrients it needs to function properly. So this includes nutrients like folic acid, which is important for preventing birth defects and reducing the risk of ovulatory infertility. So guys, if you know you are trying to conceive or you have anyone that are trying to conceive, sit back, let's Number 1 on my list, smoking. Besides increasing your risk of lining colon, the pancreatic cancer, and hurting your health in general, smoking can jeopardize your chances of conceiving. Women who smoke accelerate the aging process of their ovarian follicles, which in turn can lead to early menopause and an increased risk of infertility. Two, too much alcohol. When you're trying to get pregnant, make sure to stop taking too much alcoholic drinks. While it's unclear exactly how alcohol affects fertility, research suggests that consuming more than 2 drinks a day may decrease fertility rates and increase the time it takes for a couple to conceive. So when you're trying for a baby, make sure to drink occasionally. Three, junk food. We can't extensively say that certain foods, diets, or supplements will make you more fighter. But there is good evidence that women with infertility related to regular periods may benefit from minimizing their intake of sugar and processed foods and increasing their intake of fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and plant-based protein. If you want to know the best superfood to boost fertility and plant-based proteins food, I have the videos on my channel already. So I will be leaving the link of these two videos in the description of this very video you are watching right now. So make sure to check the description of this video. Then watch the two videos so you will know the superfood to boost fertility and plant-based proteins food. Okay? 4, chronic stress. It's impossible to eliminate all stress from our daily life, and studies on stress appear to be missed anyway. But recent research suggests the higher the perceived stress, the harder the time women had for conceiving. Feeling stressed, particularly for a prolonged period of time, can bring along hormonal shifts that can impact ovulation and fertility. So if you are trying to get pregnant, please try to reduce how you stress yourself. Of a truth, it truly affects fertility, okay? Like it mess up with your hormones. Okay, guys. So hope you are enjoying this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Then number 5, baked goods. Baked goods like pastries, donuts, and cakes. When I'm talking about cake, I'm not talking about dark chocolate cake. I mean those sugary cakes, okay? Particularly ones that are fried or contain margarine, may be high in trans fats and saturated fats. Consuming these types of fats is associated with poorer fertility outcomes. Okay, guys, please, you guys need to take your time whenever you see my videos. Take your time, not just listening to the voice over, but take your time also to read through the write-up, okay? Because I know some people might not understand what I'm saying, but when you go through the write-up yourself, you understand more better. Okay, thank you for that. Let's proceed. Number 6, certain dairy products. The fat content of dairy products appears to have sex-specific fertility effects. While low-fat and skim dairy products may support fertility among men, full-fat dairy is associated with the opposite effects. This is the reason why I say always go back to the write-up, okay? Because the way I'm reading it, you might not understand. So when you read it yourself, you understand more better. Guys, do not joke with this thing. This is a very vital and very informative video, okay? A high overall consumption of dairy products such as cheese and milk has been associated with semen, lower semen quality in some studies. Seven, high mercury fish. High mercury fish are one of the foods to avoid while trying to conceive. Mercury is a heavy metal that can damage the nervous system and is especially harmful to developing fetus. The FDA recommends that women who are pregnant or may become pregnant should avoid eating high mercury fish such as shark and swordfish. Instead, they should eat up to 12 ounces per week of a variety of fish and shellfish that are lower in mercury. These include shrimp and salmon. Number 8, high sugar drinks and soda. High sugar foods and drinks lower fertility in both men and women. It can cause inflammation and also causes the aging of our internal organs, including the reproductive system. high glycemic index foods. So if you want to increase your fertility, try to avoid foods that make your blood sugar spike, especially if you're not pairing them with foods that slow down that rise. Blood sugar spikes can cause inflammation, alter our hormones, and impede ovulation. So we've come to the end of this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, like I said before, do not joke with this content I'm bringing to you guys. Do not joke with it. And like I said before, make sure to read through the write-up so you understand more better. And if you're trying to conceive, it's not just for you to know the right food to eat. You also need to know the food that you need to avoid and the things you need to avoid so that the right food you're eating can work perfectly for you. Okay? So guys, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my videos, subscribe guys. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, okay? It will mean a lot to me. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.
Body, I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the